I'm Dr. Michelle Hope-Jones. I'm a senior researcher at Meat Science and Technology at Animal Production. What we are responsible for is everything to do with the red meat industry, ensuring consistency and quality, as well as things like product development and health and safety. We have many researchers in our section, and they range from animal scientists to food scientists, microbiologists and biochemists. And we also have a fully qualified abattoir staff, as well as a deboning team, and all our technicians that support us in the labs. Our facilities include a certified, DOLROD certified abattoir. We can slaughter cattle, sheep, goats, pigs. It's a low throughput abattoir, which is ideal because it's for research, so we can control all the pre and post slaughter factors which could affect our research. We can also stop the line at any point to take samples or take measurements. And then we can also do deboning afterwards with our team. We also have a biochemistry and physiology section. This has histology, biochemistry and proteomics labs. In this we look at all the qualities of meat, such as the enzymes involved in tenderization and aging, things like sarcomere length and MFL, so that we can measure tenderness, also muscle enzymes and, not muscle energy, and also the proteomics, where we can look for markers, protein markers for tenderness. We then also have a meat technology unit, and they are responsible for research as well as product development. They do things like development of products such as whole meat, products such as bacons, as well as emulsified meat products like polonies and mincemeat products like sausages. They also look very much into the fifth quarter, which is your offal, and how this can be utilized better. Some of the projects we do have got to do with this. So our one current project at the moment is on blood sausage. We've developed a new product, and this is to use the blood, which is basically waste at the abattoirs, efficiency in utilizing the carcass, as well as food security. At the moment, a product was developed and it was shown at NAMPO, and it received good reviews, and it is now in a further stage where it is getting evaluated by a trained sensory panel, and they are looking at it for flavor profile and also acceptance, so that it can potentially be introduced to the market. We also do things like audits. We've already done a beef and a lamb audit, and that's where we go into the retailers and pull products off the shelf and check their quality, and more importantly their consistency of quality. We found with the beef audit that there were a lot of problems. There was no consistency, or very little consistency. Also, price didn't correlate well to the quality you got, and also you could go and do a repeat purchase at the same retailer and not necessarily get the same eating satisfaction. Lamb fared slightly better, and in the future we'd like to do a pork audit to ascertain the same things. Future research we'd like to do would be the commercialization of goat meat. At the moment it's a very informal market, and it has some negative perceptions, so we're doing a lot of research to back that up. We also want to do usage of waste feed from, like for instance, potato skins, to use as fodder, and see how that affects meat quality. We are very passionate about meat quality, and if we can provide the consumer with a consistent quality product, we can add value to the beef industry.